Okay, here's what you want to do. You want to create your first page. What you want to do is go to edit, and once you do edit, you can notice that the edit options appear. Um, you can add a content box, but you already have a content box there already, so I'm going to go ahead and just delete that. The way I would do that is you notice that these little icons appear when I scroll over the perforated lines. So I'm going to delete that box right now. So I'm going to click on the box that's already there by default. I'm going to click on there and notice when I click in it, another window appears. Another looks a little bit different. And on the very top, it looks very similar to Microsoft Word. Your cut and paste and copy options, your bold, and so on, font sizes. If you click on more at the top, some more options appear. What I'm going to do is I can start typing in here all I want. I can just start typing, but for right now, just to save time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy and paste. I'm going to go to a document where I already started some of my typing on Notepad, and I'm going to just select everything I have on here, and I'm going to go ahead and copy it. And I'm going to go back to the same window I had open already, and I'm going to paste it in here. Now, the way you paste, you can click up here, but sometimes it doesn't allow you to do that. Notice it says cut and paste is not available in Mozilla Firefox. It says, do you want more information about this issue? I'm going to click cancel. The easiest way to do that is to press Control V in a PC or Apple or Open Apple V in the Mac. And notice that my text was pasted in here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save what I just have in there. Now I have text in my box. Now, so I can click preview. I'm going to see that now this is the first page. Now I'm going to edit in here. I'm going to simply add a picture. Now the easiest way to add a picture would be to go ahead and go to these icons that appear. The way the icons appear, notice I disappeared again. I scroll over the text box. I go to the add image button, and then a window appears. I have to browse for that, and I'm going to browse on my desktop. I'm going to go ahead and put an image of myself right now. Um, Now I'm going to upload it. Now I can make the image smaller if I want to. I can make it half its size or whatever it may be. Right now it's a lot smaller, but I'm going to go back to the original size. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click done. Now the image appears right on the very top of the text, but let's say I don't like that location of the image. So what I can do is when I scroll over that box, the icons appear again. I'm going to click on image options. I'm going to edit the image location. Now what happens is that I can tell the, the image where to go. I'm going to go ahead and paste it to the left of the text, and the text will wrap around. I don't believe I have enough text here so you can see it wrap around, but if you have a lot of text, it'll wrap around the picture. Um, Now it appears here. It starts to wrap around a little bit. I just don't like the way that looks. I'm going to go ahead and put it side by side here. That looks a little better. And that's a very, very basic way so your page can look semi-decent for the beginner. If you would like to add like an attachment on here, we click edit again. I'm going to scroll over that box again. See where it says it has a paperclip here. Attachments. I want to add my syllabus, let's say. I'm going to go ahead and add a file. I'm going to go to standard mode. I'm going to go ahead and browse for the file. I'm going to look for my syllabus. Let's see where it may be. Okay, I'm going to use my government syllabus. And I have to wait till it uploads. The file can be more than 100 megabytes per file. You can add as many files as you want, but for every upload, it can only be 100 megabytes at a time. So I'm going to click done. And let's say I don't like the way it appears here. I'm going to just go ahead and call it government syllabus. Click done. That's the way it's called. And now I click done, and when I scroll down a little bit, it should appear at the bottom. When I click preview, you'll see it there. Now let's say you want that attachment to appear on the very top. And one way to manipulate that is, let's go ahead and delete that attachment from this text box. Okay. I'm going to delete it, and I will go ahead and now it's no longer there. I'm going to add another content box. I'll click there, add another box. You notice a box appears at the bottom. I'm not going to add any text in here. I'm just going to add the attachment. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and do the very same thing again. Upload the file, and let me see. It's going to upload right now, and click done. I'm going to rename it back to government syllabus. I just like calling it different names. You can leave it whatever name you like. Click done. Done one more time. Okay. Okay, here we go. It appeared again. Now what I want, I don't like the way it's appearing on the bottom. I want to make it appear on top. You notice now you have this option here that says sort content boxes. I'm going to click on that button, and I'm going to say that this box is now going to be the first box. I'm on number 1, and this one's going to be now number 2. And I'm going to click sort, and now it just made this content box the first one you see, and then the other box the second box. So when I click preview, this is what it'll look like. So that's another way of manipulating it, so that way you can go ahead and just fool around with the page and see what you want to do with it.